Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very common issue that users found. Unfortunately, File Manager has stopped error. So, if you are also struggling with the same problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. Watch this video and try out the given fixes to resolve it. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Solution 1. Restart your phone and File Manager app. The first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is restarting the phone. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix the error or not. Besides restarting the phone, you can also relaunch the File Manager app. This can help in fixing the unfortunately, File Manager has stopped error on Android. Solution 2. Uninstall File Manager updates. Even you can get rid of the File Manager not working Android by uninstalling the updates of the File Manager app. For this, you have to go to Settings on the phone. Now, click on Apps under Device where you will get the installed apps list. Next, move down unless File Manager comes and then click on it. After that, click on the More option. Then, click on Uninstall Updates. At last, click on OK. Solution 3. Force Stop File Manager app. The next solution to fix unfortunately, File Manager has stopped issue on Android is force stopping the File Manager app. To do so, you have to go to the settings on your phone. Click on Apps or App Management. Find out the File Manager app, and click on the Force Stop option. Solution 4. Clear cache and data of File Manager app. The next solution to fix File Manager keeps stopping or crashing issue on Android is clearing the cache and data of the app. Open the settings, tap on the apps, go to File Manager, click on Storage, tap on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Now, restart your phone and check whether the issue gets resolved or not. Solution 5. Update Android OS. The problem can also occur when your Android phone's OS is not updated to the latest version. This happens most of the time, and updating of OS comes with several fixes of bugs and glitches. Therefore, you should check it by going to Settings, System menu. Now, click on System Update, and see if there is any update available. Click on the Update option and your device will be updated to the latest version. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot the unfortunately File Manager has stopped Android, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It has the ability to fix many system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then do share it with other users having the same issue, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.